Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this super easy, super last minute Halloween makeup for you guys. This is the Ringmaster makeup. So to start off, I'm doing a really simple base face, just whatever your basic base face is. I'm going with my Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation and then my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer to conceal any places that I feel need concealing. Then just setting everything with loose powder and dusting that off. Now going in with my Hoola bronzer from Benefit and just bronzing up my skin. Like I said, guys, this is your basic base face, whatever you like to do, and I'm a little more bronzed than usual. Now going in with my Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette and starting with the kind of lightest pink shade and then building from there, then going to the next darkest shade and so on. Then taking my Makeup Geek Manny MUA palette and this red shade right here. I feel like this red shade really tied things in. Then I'm going in with my Karity palette, and this is the black shade. I'm just blending upwards and making it look super duper smoky. Now I'm filling in my brow with the Covergirl Ultra Fine Brow Pencil, and then going back underneath my eye with that shade from the Urban Decay palette and blending downward. Now just popping a little bit of liner in my waterline, and popping my wig cap on. And my wig, which is from the hair shop. Now just applying some mascara and some false lashes. And then going in with my DHC liquid liner and drawing as straight of a line as I can. And then at the top of the line, you want to draw basically a triangle and then curve the triangle toward the line, if that makes sense. Now I'm taking my Karity red lip. I will definitely link the shade down below, and then gonna take the purple Karity lip lock, and I will link that shade down below too. Now taking this Makeup Geek blush, the shade will be linked down below, and popping that on my cheeks and my Camo Eyes contacts, and that's it for this look, you guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you have a great Halloween. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!